In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coupon on Agoda. Start by signing in to your Agoda account. Coupons often only work when you're logged in, and the discount can be tied to your account region or currency. Logging in early also syncs your booking details across devices and helps avoid price changes at checkout. Now, find your hotel or other accommodation on the Agoda website or app. Enter your travel dates and guests, then use filters like price, rating, location, and amenities to narrow the results. Take a moment to compare room policies. Some offers exclude certain room types, blackout dates, or non refundable rates. When you've chosen a place you like, review the available rooms carefully. Check what's included, whether breakfast is added, and how taxes and service fees are displayed. Select the room you want and click Book Now to head to checkout. On the customer information and payment page, look for the field labeled Enter your promo code here or promo code. It's usually near the order summary or above the total price. Type your code exactly as provided and click Apply to update the total. Codes can be case sensitive and often come with conditions like minimum spend, eligible properties, or specific stay dates. After you apply the code, wait a moment for the page to refresh and confirm that the discount appears in the price breakdown. If it doesn't work, double check for extra spaces, confirm the code hasn't expired, and verify that your dates, room type, currency, and location meet the offer's terms. Keep in mind that most coupons don't stack with other promotions or member-only deals. With the discount successfully applied, complete the booking payment. Enter accurate guest details, choose your preferred payment method, and make sure your billing information matches your card or wallet. Review the final total, including taxes and fees, and read the cancellation or prepayment policy so you know what's refundable and when. If there's an option to pay now or pay at the property, select the one that fits your plans and budget. When everything looks correct, submit your payment to finalize the reservation. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and should receive an email soon after. Keep that confirmation for check-in and verify that the discounted amount is clearly shown on the receipt. And that's it. Log in, find your stay, select the room and book now, enter and apply your promo code, and finish payment to lock in your savings on Agoda. Safe travels and enjoy your trip.